Hello. If you're on furlough again or any of your managers are on furlough again, then one of the pluses is it's a perfect opportunity for personal development. We saw from the last lockdown how important it is to keep our minds active. And if you are a manager with managers within your team, by investing in them, in their management skills and their leadership development, then it's a really good way to show your commitment and that you care about them. So with this in mind, I'm rerunning my successful Lessons in Leadership workshop, which is 5 by 1 hour sessions, where I'm going to be sharing my top tips and tactics to get the very best from your team. So if you or any of your managers would benefit from a little bit of a top up or enhancing their management skills, then I would love you to join me. Not only will it help in terms of the productivity of their team, but also ensuring that your team are able to deliver the best possible customer experience when your customers are coming back to you again. So I would love to see you there. All the details are below. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Bye for now.